Today we tell a remarkable story that happened on Chol HaMoed Pesach. Shachris in Shul, a big minyan. When they come to laning, the Gabbai is looking for someone who knows how to lane. So he goes over to someone and do you know how to lane? And the guy says no. So he goes over to the next guy, do you know how to lane? And everybody says no. The Gabbai sees a young guy who seems like he knows his stuff. So the Gabbai approaches him and says, do you know how to lane? And the guy responds in Hebrew and he says, Im kesef ani koreh. Literally translated, if you give me money, I will read. The Gabbai gets so upset, frustrated, he leaves him. He continues searching and finally he was able to find someone who knows how to lane. But this really upset the Gabbai, the whole tefillah, the whole davening, he was thinking about it. What chutzpah! I'm here the Gabbai 50 years, I never saw anything like this. What is this guy, a soicher? He's trying to make money on us. Read for 2 minutes. Why do you need to be compensated monetarily for this? What's going on? It bothered him so much. At the end of davening, he said, I have to talk to this guy. And he goes over and he says, what were you thinking? Asking us for money? And the young guy says, well, what are you talking about? I didn't ask you for money. He says, you said, Im kesef ani koreh. If you give me money, I will read. And the guy responds, that's not what I meant. The third day of Chol HaMoed, the laning starts with the pasuk of Parshas Mishpatim. Perek Beis, pasuk Chav Daled. The words start with, Im kesef tal ve'es ami, when you lend money to my people. The words start with Im kesef, if money. What I meant is, if the laning of today is Im kesef, this laning, I know it, I can read it, because that's my Parshas Bar Mitzvah, Parshas Mishpatim. If it's one of the other days laning, that I don't know. I responded to you saying, Im kesef, if that's the laning of today, ani koreh, I can read. The other lanings, I don't know. The Torah commands us, b'tzedek, tishpot amisecha, judge people favorably. Judge them favorably at all times.